In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Pandadoc. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can easily design, customize, and save a template that's perfect for your needs. To get started, first, you'll need to log into your Pandadoc account. Once you're in, everything you need to do will be accessible right from the main dashboard. Look over to the left sidebar and you'll see an option called Templates. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where all your templates will reside, and it's the place to create and manage them seamlessly. At the top left corner, there's a button labeled Plus Template. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a few different options for your starting point. You can choose a blank template if you want to build everything from the ground up, which is perfect for those who need complete control over the design. Alternatively, you can import file, which allows you to upload an existing Word or PDF document if you want to save time and have a pre-designed base to work off of. Or, if you're looking for some inspiration or don't want to start from scratch, you can explore the template gallery and select from a variety of pre-built Pandadoc templates. Each option has its benefits, so choose the one that best aligns with your needs and preferences. Once you've made your selection and your template opens, you'll see that you can fully customize it to suit your requirements. On the left panel, there are various content blocks you can add, such as text, images, and tables. This allows you to create a visually engaging document that's tailored to your audience. To the right, there's another panel where you can insert fields like signature, date, and text fields, an essential step for any document that requires user interaction or input. If your document involves dynamic details like names, addresses, or any information that changes from one client to another, you can create and insert variables. These placeholders, such as /client.name, can be managed under the Variables tab, ensuring your template auto-updates with the right information each time it's used. And don't forget about setting recipient roles at the top, like client or manager, to properly assign fields within your document. One of the great features of Pandadoc is that your progress is auto-saved. This means you won't need to worry about losing any of your hard work. If you want to rename your template at any point, simply click on the name at the top and type in your new preferred title. Once you're satisfied with your template, exit the editor. Your newly crafted template will now appear in the Templates section, ready for reuse whenever needed. And there you have it, a customized template in Pandadoc. Remember, with the right setup, you can save a lot of time and streamline your document workflow efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy template creation.